Hello, Cindy from Breathe Alaska here, and I'm going to show you how to get dressed for the Alaskan rainforest. So first, you want to make sure you have a really good base layer. So base layers would be your shirt, your pants, and your socks. You want to avoid any cotton if at all possible. So wear synthetics or wool, because those will keep you warm even if you get wet. So those base layers are really important. The second is your insulating layer. So here I have a synthetic insulating layer on that's going to go underneath my rain gear. Now we're going to put on our rain gear. Let's start with our rain pants. Really nice waterproof rain pants here. These are Marmot. I love them. They keep me super dry. Go ahead and put those on. I like to have one layer underneath the pants and one layer on top. It's just more comfortable for me. Then we put on our rain jacket. There is a difference between water resistant and waterproof rain jacket. When it's really raining in the Alaskan rainforest, you need waterproof. This one is a North Face jacket. It keeps me super dry. I love it. So we're going to zip that up. So this is called a shell because it doesn't have the insulating layer underneath it. We have a separate layer that we've put on, so the jacket doesn't have it included. Finally, we are going to put on our waterproof shoes. I wear Extra Toughs. I love them. They're great. They have this cool design on them. So let's put those Extra Toughs on, or any waterproof shoe that you have. And here is the key. Super important. You want to make sure that your rain pants go over the outside of those boots, because as the rain drips off, if you get super wet, the rain's not gonna drop down into your boot and into your sock. So there you go, dressing for the Alaskan rainforest.